Welcome back to the channel. Dane Scott from Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge. You know, some of the coolest and best looking cabovers that once roamed the highways of America in the 60s, starting out with the CO 4000 Transtar cabover. It wasn't called a Transtar then, but then it moved to the 4070A, then the 4070B, and then later on the 9670. But the Transtars were in the late 60s to the early 80s. And they're some of my favorite cabover trucks. So before we get started, make sure you look down in the comments. There'll be some links down there. First of all, a link to get our free newsletter. Yeah, you gotta get that because you'll get the information right up to date that we're doing on the channel, and you'll hear some news about the upcoming truck show we're doing the first Saturday in June of 2026 here. It would be the 6th. That's the 4th annual I always do that. It's the 4th annual GMC Jamboree truck show. All trucks pre-1990 are welcome, and it's a killer event. So make sure you look at the links down there, get a newsletter, check out some other cabover videos, and I guess with that, we're going to go on to some killer Transtar cabovers.